37 minutes.
It's good enough.
Exit here for 5th and 7th end of line. Connect here with Metro E and D lines downstairs. And remember to tap again to transfer.
It is. There it is, the new map.
Stand clear.
Here we go. I'm excited. We're going to the new stations right now. First of 3.
Welcome aboard the Metro A line. This train's final destination is ATU Foothill Station, Azusa. The next stop is Grand Avenue Gardens, Foothill Station.
Yeah!
Exit here for Walt Disney Concert Hall, the Broadway, Museum of Contemporary Art, Culver School, and Music Center.
There we go. Enter the new tunnel. Here we are.
Now arriving, Grand Avenue Arts, Foothill Station, at 2nd and Oak. Exit here for Walt Disney Concert Hall, the Broadway, Museum of Contemporary Art, Culver School, and the Music Center.
Hey.
Please stand clear.
Check out the
doors are closing.
Broadway, and then get off at 12 feet off the end and see if it's traffic light there.
The next stop is historic Broadway Station at 2nd and Broadway. Exit here for Grand Central Park, Grand Park, the U.S. Federal Courthouse, LA County Superior Court, and City Hall.
Oh, so one of the different coordinators on the side.
Historic Broadway Station at 2nd and Broadway. Exit here for Grand Central Park, Grand Park, the U.S. Federal Courthouse, LA County Superior Court,
at that.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Next stop. Want to go next stop? Yeah. Okay. Next stop.
Welcome
Look at
aboard
that.
the Metro A line. This train's final destination
Like,
is
all the train enthusiasts. They're just the people are just recording outside on the platform.
Little Tokyo Arts District Station first between Alameda and Central. Exit here for Japanese American National Museum.
Oh my gosh, we should go there.
This is the Metro A line train.
What? Little Tokyo. Yeah, we could come by here again.
Now arriving.
Huh?
We could come back here again.
Arts District Station
No, if you go to
Alameda and
after
Central.
Chinatown,
Exit here
then
for
we take that. We go
Japanese
back.
American National Museum. This is a Metro A line train.
I mean, maybe we could get a haircut, come back here, go to Azusa, and go back home.
Yeah, but then we need to wait a lot.
Yeah. We can do that.
So, what na?
Oh, E-line. Want to go to Chinatown? Or you want to exit here first? Want to go? Want to go check outside? You can go there. Where are you?
Sexual harassment is off limits and will not be tolerated on Metro. Report any unwanted touching, comments, or gestures by using the train intercom, the station intercom, the sheriff's hotline at 888-950-SAFE, or the Metro's transit check.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's the E?
You're not supposed to go faster than this. No, come back.
It's the E! To East LA! Oh my gosh, he's actually beating us.
Union Station in downtown LA. Connect here with the Metro B and D lines downstairs to your right. The J line, LAX Flyaway, Megabus, and Petsaurus Bus Plaza downstairs to your left. Metrolink and Amtrak have posted track assignments downstairs.
Oh, nobody ate the pizza. Excuse me. Are you know where does this train? That's not this. Not on Long Beach. That's not Little Tokyo. That's not Little Tokyo. All the way to Long Beach. What line first? Street. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, so that was his last stop.
Okay.
That's cool. Ooh, helicopter, 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 helicopter. So goofy, honestly.
What did my mom say?
Welcome aboard the Metro A line. This train's final destination is downtown Long Beach Station. We're on this ride together, so please don't play loud music, block the aisles or exits, or take up more than one seat. Park bikes in designated areas, and to help us get you there on time, please don't hold the doors open. The next stop is Little Tokyo Arts District Station on First between Alameda and Central. Exit here for Japanese American National Museum. This is a Metro A line train.
Running so slow.
I saw someone playing Pokemon Go. They had like 5 phones open.
Oh my god. Into the woods. Ow.
Yeah, this is the place we used to go to Atlanta, you know. Yeah, but they must have changed the
Going back to Little Tokyo. Tokyo's an island platform.
Now arriving. Little Tokyo Arts District Station on First between Alameda and Central. Exit here for Japanese American National Museum. This is a Metro A line train.
Oh my gosh, we came here before.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Oh, this is the old announcer. I feel like there's a performer outside.
Your safety is our top priority. Please remember to keep valuables and money out of sight. Report any issues by calling the Metro Security Hotline at 888-950-SAFE or by using the LA Metro Transit Watch app. If you see something, say something. The next stop is historic Broadway Station at 2nd and Broadway. Exit here for Grand Central Market, Grand Park, the U.S. Federal Courthouse, LA County Superior Court, and City Hall. Broadway Station at 2nd and Broadway. Exit here for Grand Central Market, Grand Park, the U.S. Federal Courthouse, LA County Superior Court, and City Hall. Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
I like the fact they're using the old announcer now. That voice is mostly heard on the subway.
Hello, happy day, buenas tardes.
Welcome aboard the Metro A line. This train's final destination is downtown Long Beach Station.
Thanks for the Metro, everybody.
The next stop is Grand Avenue Arts, Bunker Hill Station at 2nd and Oak. Exit here for Walt Disney Concert Hall, The Broad, Museum of Contemporary Art, Culverin School, and the Music Center.
Today, tomorrow, and Sunday as well. Tomorrow I think they're having a press conference. So this line goes from Long Beach to Azusa.
Now arriving, Grand Avenue Arts, Bunker Hill Station at 2nd and Oak. Exit here for Walt Disney Concert Hall, The Broad, Museum of Contemporary Art, Culverin School, and the Music Center.
That's going to be the expo. First in Soto.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. The next stop is 7th Street Metro Center in downtown LA. Exit here for Big at 7th and the Block. Connect here with Metro V&D lines downstairs. And remember to tap again to transfer. Now arriving, 7th Street Metro Center in downtown LA. Exit here for Big at 7th and the Block. Connect here with Metro V&D lines downstairs. And remember to tap again to transfer.
Oh my gosh, look, we used to go there. We were literally right there a while ago. Yeah.
This will be holding at this location for a few more minutes. This will be holding at this location for a few more minutes. We are currently single track due to a police activity.
Okay. Traffic, I guess. What train is that? E-line.
You just have it on here.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
I think it's because of the tracks.
Welcome aboard the Metro A line. This train's final destination is
Downtown Long Beach Station. Thanks for going Metro. Eating, drinking, and smoking on Metro trains or stations is not allowed. This is your system, so please help us keep it clean.
the next stop is
Pico Station. Exit here for
Crypto.com Arena, LA Live, and the Convention Center.
connect here with
The Metro E-Line, the nearby Metro J-Line, and remember to tap again to transfer. This is the Metro A line train.
Wow, we're back.
Oh my god, the circus world.
Convention.
Now arriving,
Pico Station. Exit here for
Crypto.com Arena, LA Live,
They said
and
it.
the Convention Center.
connect here with
Staples
Metro
Center
E-Line,
forever.
the nearby Metro J-Line. And remember to tap again to transfer. This
that guy-
is the Metro A line train.
Oh, that's a UPS driver.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Welcome aboard the Metro A line. This train's final destination is
Downtown Long Beach Station.
we're on this ride together. So please don't play loud music, block the aisles or exits, or take up more than one seat. Park bikes in designated areas. And to help us get you there on time, please don't hold the doors open. The next stop is
Grand LATTC Station. Exit here for LA Trade Tech College and Metropolitan Courthouse.
Convention Center.